In this video, we'll compare Salesforce CRM and Freshsales to help you decide which one is the better choice for your business in 2026. Let's start with ease of use. Freshsales offers a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy for small and mid-sized businesses to get started. Salesforce has a steeper learning curve, but it provides much greater flexibility and customization. When it comes to features, both CRMs include contact management, lead tracking, sales pipelines, and automation. However, Salesforce goes further with advanced reporting, AI-powered tools, extensive integrations, and highly customizable workflows for larger organizations. For pricing, Freshsales is generally more affordable and offers plans that are well suited for growing businesses. Salesforce is more expensive, but it delivers enterprise-level capabilities that can scale as your business expands. If you want a simple, budget-friendly CRM that's quick to implement, Freshsales is a great option. But if your business requires advanced customization, powerful automation, and long-term scalability, Salesforce is the better choice. Ultimately, the best CRM depends on your business size, budget, and the features you need. And that's our comparison of Salesforce CRM versus Freshsales in 2026.